Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Now, as the title says, and it's not a clickbait, I asked you whether you want to know how much I earned from my 1 million view video. It is one of the oldest videos on the channel before the channel was even called Watch Geek. And 92% of you voted that you do want to find out. Then I asked whether some of you based on that data, want to join the YouTube Watch community. Now, the answer to the first question, because I don't want to go bush around and everything, we'll go straight to the point. So this first video has been around for 4 years, so take that into consideration. As of today, or as of recording of this video, it has exactly 1,010,447 views. And for that, Google paid me a total of $4,390.75, which works out to be about $4.34 per 1,000 views. Or if you want to view it the other way, it takes 230 views for $1. Now, like I said, please make into consideration that it's been a video that's been on for 4 years, so it's not a viral video that explodes overnight. Also on YouTube, the revenue of a video depends on the type of the video, of your audience, of the geography, where your video is mostly viewed. It depends on the season. So in November and December, the revenue usually goes up. Then January, February, it's pretty low. During the summer, it's pretty low. So it is 4,000, but over a span of 4 years. Also, this is my top grossing video by far. And in fact, probably the 20 of most grossing videos on my channel are all tutorials, which means that my reviews that are made for watch people don't really make a lot of money, don't make almost any money. It's the tutorials. Why? Because regular people watch tutorials to learn about their watches. So if you want to join the watch community of YouTube for profit, I don't think you're gonna be very satisfied. If you really want to live off of YouTube or make some serious money, you're better off doing vlogs and tech videos and all those other things that, you know, people like games and all that, because that's a much wider audience. The watch videos are a pretty niche market. That's why even the greatest of watch channels don't have even remotely close the number of subscribers as regular vlog channels and such. So, should you join YouTube as a watch channel? Yes, if you love watches, if you want to share your passion, because this is my hobby. I didn't go into this for business. I have a regular job. This is something I do to relieve myself of stress of everyday life. And if I manage to earn something, that's great, because it makes this hobby free. I didn't have to pay for my camera, for my lighting. YouTube did through this revenue. But if you want to make a career out of it, you're better off looking at some other points. I mean, some other aspects or topics on YouTube. Anyways, that's it. So I hope I answered the question. Like I said, it's not a clickbait. This is how much I earned from this video. The second most grossing video is far underneath, and then they just keep falling. So it's not really a big business or anything, but I'm doing what I love, and I'll keep doing it until I find it fun. And any kind of money that comes from it is just a bonus that I didn't count on. Anyways, that's it. So see you in the next video that's gonna be about watches as usual. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.